Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about wrist pencil arrangement in Blender. So here, you can see that there's a red and a blue stork. And here, you can see those storks again. But this time, the red stork is in front of the blue one, and all of these storks are in the same layer. So, to bring the red stork in front of the blue one, go to Edit Mode, select this stork, then set the select mode to stork. Selection. And right click, arrange, bring to front. And now you can see that the red stork is in front of the blue one. And all of them are in the same layer. And this is it. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.